Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing ButcherBox. So I've been using them for a few months now, and I have to say it's made my life so much easier. No more last-minute grocery store runs or settling for lower quality meat. I mean, whenever I try to save money and get a cheap piece of meat, I always regret it. It just doesn't taste as good and is always chewy. So if you're someone who loves high-quality, humanely raised meat but hates going grocery shopping, then this video is for you, as I'll be covering everything you need to know about ButcherBox, including some pros and cons, their plans and pricing, the quality of their meat, and my personal experience using their service. And hopefully by the end of this video, you'll know whether ButcherBox is the right choice for you. And if at any point you decide to try out ButcherBox, you can use the affiliate link down in the description. It doesn't cost you anything, and you even get a discount, which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so just a little bit about ButcherBox. It's a meat delivery service specializing in high quality, humanely raised meat delivered straight to your doorstep, and it was started in 2015 as a small Kickstarter project and has grown into a multi-million-dollar business. It delivers high-quality meat to homes across the country with the goal of making grass-fed beef, heritage breed pork, and organic chicken available to everyone. It focuses on sustainable and humane farming methods, and they make sure that all of their meats, including beef, pork, chicken, and seafood, come from animals that were raised without any added hormones or antibiotics. Now, the way it works is, first you choose the type of box that you want. You can go with a custom box, where you pick the cuts of meat yourself, or choose a curated box where ButcherBox selects the meat for you, with options for beef, pork, chicken, and seafood. I personally love the custom box option because I get to choose exactly what I want, as sometimes I'm in the mood for a nice steak, other times I want some pork chops or chicken breasts for meal prep, so it's great to have that flexibility. Next, you choose your plan, and you can decide how often you want your box delivered, either every 2 weeks, 6 weeks, once a month, or once every 2 months. This flexibility lets you change the service to fit your needs perfectly. Then your box of meat is delivered directly to your doorstep, and it arrives packed in an insulated recyclable box with dry ice to make sure everything stays frozen until you're ready to unpack it. And so all you need to do is store the meat in your freezer and start enjoying high quality meat whenever you want. Besides that, ButcherBox also offers special deals and add-ons, making it easy to customize your order to fit your preferences. And for those who follow specific diets or preferences, ButcherBox offers various options, including keto and paleo-friendly cuts. This makes it a great choice for different lifestyles and nutritional needs. That said, let's get into their plans and pricing. So with the custom box, you get to choose exactly what cuts of meat you want, which is perfect if you have specific preferences. On the other hand, the curated box is pre-selected by ButcherBox and offers a variety of cuts, which is great if you want to try a bit of everything. For the custom box, you can choose between the classic box, which includes 9 to 14 pounds of meat, and the big box, which includes 18 to 26 pounds. And the prices start at $169 for the classic box and goes up to $306 for the big box. The curated box also comes in 2 sizes, the classic box, which includes 8 to 11 pounds of meat, starting at $146, and the big box, which includes 16 to 22 pounds of meat, starting at $269. But shipping is free for all boxes, which is a nice bonus. Also, other than the main boxes, ButcherBox often runs special promotions. For example, new members might get free bacon for life or other special deals when they sign up. There's also add-ons available like extra seafood or breakfast items that you can include in your box for an extra cost. And if for whatever reason you're not happy with their service, they offer a 100% risk-free money-back guarantee. And just to reiterate, if you decide to try out ButcherBox, you can use the affiliate link down in the description. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and you even get a discount, which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website. And I have to say that one of the standout features of ButcherBox is the quality of their meat. All of their meat is sourced from animals that are humanely raised without any added hormones or antibiotics. The beef is 100% grass-fed and grass-finished, the pork is heritage breed, and the chicken is free-range and organic. Besides that, they also offer wild-caught seafood options, which is great if you love seafood. And in terms of the taste and texture, I've been really impressed with the meat from ButcherBox. The beef is tender and flavorful, The pork chops are juicy, and the chicken is always fresh. I've also tried their seafood, and the wild-caught salmon and scallops were delicious. On top of that, one of my favorite things about ButcherBox is the convenience, as the meat comes vacuum sealed and frozen, so all you need to do is store it in your freezer until you're ready to cook. The packaging keeps everything fresh, and I've also never had any issues with the quality or taste after defrosting it. And I've been using ButcherBox for a few months now, and it has made my life so much easier. No more last-minute grocery store runs or settling for lower quality meats. Another thing I love is the variety. Whether I want to grill a steak, roast a chicken, or try something new like lamb or seafood, ButcherBox has it all. And there's always something new to try since their menu changes all the time. Okay, so as I said, I'm gonna be completely honest. So just like any other service, ButcherBox also has its drawbacks. And so one thing to consider is that since the boxes are shipped frozen, you need to have enough freezer space to store all the meat when it arrives. This can be a bit challenging if you have a limited amount of freezer space, especially if you order one of the larger boxes. But if you're able to manage, the convenience and quality make it well worth it. Another possible downside is the subscription plan, as you need to subscribe in order to get regular deliveries. This can be a downside if you prefer not to commit to a recurring service, although you can pause or cancel it at any time. So none of these were a big deal to me, but I still thought it was worth mentioning. So wrapping up this review, if you're asking me, I'd definitely recommend ButcherBox, especially if you care about where your meat comes from and enjoy high quality, great tasting meals. ButcherBox makes it very easy to get ethically raised meat delivered right to your doorstep. They have a great selection of meats and fish, and they only buy from responsible sources. You get the best cuts from a high-end butcher shop without leaving your house. So if you're looking to improve your meals at home with high-quality meat that's raised sustainably, I'd say give ButcherBox a try. Okay, so that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful or interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more reviews like this one. And again, if you decide to try out ButcherBox, you can use the affiliate link down in the description. It doesn't cost you anything, and you even get a discount, which you wouldn't find if you went directly to their website. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.